In this video, I'm going to show you how to find coordinates of a location in Google Maps. Go ahead to your Google Maps, either in the phone, mobile, or in your browser. If you are in browser, make sure to find Google Maps in the search tab right here, or you can otherwise go ahead to your application in your mobile. In the top right corner, you're gonna find the menu right here. Choose Google Maps from here, or directly head to Google Maps on your favorite browser. So, after this, I'm going to show you, say, let's have a specific location. You can choose any location you could like and you could pin it. You can pin it by just clicking on it using your mouse or your fingers in the phone. After that, you're gonna go ahead and find the exact location. See right here, this is E plus code. This is not what we're looking for. We're looking for coordinates. So let's zoom in this location and let's go ahead and find the following. We can either scroll down until we find the bottom of this. But if we didn't, what we will go ahead is click directly near the location. So something like this. And as you can see, here is the coordinates. They're not specific because we're looking for near the location. Sorry again. So go ahead, click on the location even if you can, or near it, like very close to it, and you're gonna find the coordinates right here. As you can see, here are the coordinates instead of the name that we had. As I said, so imagine we click on the name, we can't find the coordinates. Again, click near it as much as you can. Click the coordinates on the bottom corner, and then you'll be greeted with these coordinates, which if we go ahead to any other location in the world, we paste those coordinates right here, it's gonna specifically take us to the same place. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.